Hi guys, I'm back here with the fun one. Have you ever wondered how those music covers with AI voices are created? I'll be showing you how to create them using a tool called Voicify AI. With this tool, you can record a song with your own voice and then use AI to make it sound like a famous artist or pick from any AI model. You don't need any fancy gear, just a computer, your voice, and this tool. So let's dive in. First off, open your browser and head over to Voicify AI. It also doubles as jammable.com. Once you're there, sign up using your email or your Google account. Next, click on Create and then Voice Library. Explore and pick a voice you'd like to use for your cover, and then click Create. Here, you're given two options. If you want to proceed with creating a cover with just the voice you had selected earlier, select Audio to sing. You are then prompted to choose between recording audio, typing, choosing a sound from Jammable's library, or uploading your audio. If you choose to sing and record, don't stress about perfecting it. The AI will handle the magic. Just make sure that there's as little background noise as possible. Also make sure to save your recording as a .wav or as an MP3 file. If you want your cover to have multiple voices, select Voices to convert to add on more voices. And then let the AI work its magic. It usually takes a couple of minutes. Once it's ready, you can preview and then download. And that's it. You've just created a personalized AI cover song. Try out Voicify AI and let me know in the comments which artist you choose. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to get notified on our next post. See you next time.